everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your locked Snapchat account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you find yourself in the situation where Snapchat has locked your account and it shows you this kind of interface whenever you're trying to log into your account, whenever you find out that your Snapchat account has been locked, simply go open up your web browser and in the search box type in Snapchat locked. From the search results displayed on the next page, tap on this first link that says My account is locked, Snapchat support. From this page, if your account has been temporarily locked, you can go and tap on this link over here, and on the next page, go ahead and enter your Snapchat credentials, type in your username or your email, and then head over to the next field and type in your password. Tap on I'm not a robot at the bottom, complete the CAPTCHA, and finally tap on login. Now, you'll be able to open up Manage My Account page. Simply tap on Unlock My Account, and on the next page, tap on Unlock. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to unlock your Snapchat account. But remember that if your account has been permanently locked, and if you tap on that Unlock Your Account button, then remember that the Snapchat support team will not be able to unlock it for you. That is how you'll be able to unlock your Snapchat account if it has been locked. If that still does not fix your issue, then the next thing to do is to go to your Play Store and tap it open. In the search box, type in Snapchat and make your search. See if your app is up to date. If not, you'll be able to see the update button popping up right next to the application. Simply tap on update in order to download the recent version of the application. Sometimes because of the older version of the application that you are trying to use, which might have a lot of bugs in it, you won't be able to operate your Snapchat smooth. In that case, make sure to be updated to the latest version of Snapchat so that you can easily operate with the app. Even after you are done with the update and your account is still not working, then the next thing or the last thing to do is simply uninstall your Snapchat application, and once you're done with it, reinstall it back again. Those were some of the fixes that you could try out whenever your Snapchat account is locked and you're not being able to use it whatsoever. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.